Welcome back to Stock Motion, the educational investment channel. In today's video we'll take a look at Transportation and Logistics Systems Inc., ticker symbol TLSS. As always, before we start, please remember I'm not a financial advisor and this information is purely for educational purposes only, and please do your own due diligence before investing in any stocks. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Transportation and Logistics Systems provides tractor-trailer and box truck deliveries of packages on the east coast of the United States. The company offers package delivery services primarily in New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Georgia, Florida, Ohio, and Tennessee, principally for Amazon and its customers and for other customers. It also provides various logistics services to Amazon and storage solutions for Amazon's customers with limited storage facilities. The company is based in Jupiter, Florida. For the 9 months ended the 30th of September 2020, Transportation and Logistics Systems Inc. revenues increased 8% to $23.5 million. Net loss applicable to common stockholders excluding extraordinary items increased 42% to $54.2 million. Revenues reflect an increase in demand for the company's products and services due to favorable market conditions. Higher net loss reflects gain on debt extinguishment, net decrease of 82% to $7.2 million. The Transportation and Logistics Systems stock price gained 16.81% on the last trading day, Tuesday the 12th of January 2021, rising from 5 cents to $0.055, and has now gained 5 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the day, the stock fluctuated 26.67% from a day low at 5 cents to a day high of 6 cents. The price has risen in 8 of the last 10 days and is up by 89.31% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, and, in total, 74 million more shares were traded than the day before. In total, 116 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $6.34 million. Given the current short-term trend, the stock is expected to rise 80.8% during the next 3 months, and, with a 90% probability, hold a price between 4 cents and 10 cents at the end of this 3-month period. Mostly positive signals in the chart today. TLSS holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at 4 cents and 2 cents. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, December 1, 2020, and so far it has risen 449.00%. Further rise is indicated until a new top has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3 months moving average convergence divergence (MACD). Volume is rising along with the price. This is considered to be a good technical signal. This stock may move a lot during a day, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved 1 cent between high and low, or 26.67%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 16.76%. As the old saying goes, let the trend be your friend. We therefore consider it to be a good buy at this current price, and we are expecting further gains during the next 3 months. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a buy to a strong buy. Like always, if you like this, please hit the like button, leave a comment below and subscribe for more content like this. Why not join our private Discord server for buy and sell alerts and more? You can find the link to my Patreon in the description. It's £3 a month and helps support the channel. There's also a link to sign up for Trading212, who are offering a free share up to £100. Thanks for watching and take care.